Hey guys, what's up? RC Johnny here. So this is going to be the speed run of the Geico 29 V3 on 6S with the aftermarket Grim Racer prop. So if you can come closer, GPS is zeroed out, as you can see at 0. See that? So I got that tucked in there, and to get the hatch I gotta plug this in. Beeps. 6S. Oh, and the dog's on the boat too, so you might hear barking and stuff, but yeah. Yeah, you're probably gonna hear barking. Done. Okay.
Just run your hand down the tape that away from the ceiling.
So we're gonna be driving our real boat, and this is gonna be all beside it, so it should be pretty cool. Okay, we're good. Put this around. Should come closer to shore too.
Yeah, we'll get no closer when we reach it. Chance.
Chance.
Okay, stay down, buds.
Chance.
It's okay, Chance.
Rip the upholstery there. Hold on, John. Get him down. Bring him over here to me. Chancey, sit down. Sit down.
Okay, go fast.
Keep that close.
I have to get it. I guess we'll just put it back.
Yeah, bring it out. Stay on my right this time.
Back up, dog. Chance, back up.
What side are we going to be on now?
You have to deal on that side.
Get the dog.
Am I supposed to be stopping this?
No. Videotape it. We're gonna do one more and go to the calm part so it doesn't flip.
What side am I on now?
Where's the remote? I do. This is calm, so hit full throttle there, so that's good. Let's go get it. Okay, sorry for the long video, guys, but I have to go full throttle.
Lost your paint.
Lost a bit of the paint. Ew.
So you did a video already.
No, that's what it has to be.
That sucks.
Ew. So we got a good speed.
You have to get out of that bag, it's wet.
Fuck.
That got wet. That bag was enclosed, John.
Oh. It's good.
Jesus. That's not good.
It says 86. There's just a bit of condensation inside. I'm not sure. I can read that out of camera. So that dry up a bit.
That's not good. That is not good. I think your GPS is going to be toast. You have to get that in some rice.
No, this is getting it out and you can start to see the number now. Definitely says 86. It's just not clear enough for you guys to see. See
I don't
if this
think
doesn't
we're up
happen.
to end of the year, eh?
Well, wait.
Take your word for it, because it's not going to clear up in time. Well, maybe. Don't squeeze it, it makes it worse. Unless it got damaged when it
Yeah, flip. Here, let me see it. See that? I'm not sure if you guys can or not, but it does say 86, so there you go. So clear it out just a bit more.
Oh, we really gotta get that back. Get that water out.
So 86 kilometers an hour on 6S with the Grim Racer prop. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace out.